Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nuna, and in this video I will be talking about what to do when your skincare products stop working for you, or what you can do to continue to get consistent results. Most of us have had a skincare product that we know we can depend on to give us the results that we expect, like a cleanser that will make your skin feel clean while also making it feel soft and smooth and not stripped and dry. And another time you use that same cleanser, but it does not feel like it actually cleans your skin, or you feel like there's a film left on your skin after rinsing it off. This may not have happened because the product stopped working. It could be due to some of the reasons I'm going to mention in this video. There are several reasons a skincare product feels like it stopped working, such as changes in your skin condition, improper product usage, or exfoliation. One of the first things that could be causing your favorite skincare product to not perform like it used to is that it could be expired. You should check the shelf life of your skincare product on the packaging. If you look on the packaging, you can see a symbol that indicates how long a product is good for after it's been opened. Average shelf life of skincare products can range from 6 to 18 months. So look at the number on your packaging, and that will indicate how long the product is good for after it has been opened. So if your product is past the shelf life, you will need to replace it. Another thing you need to consider is, how are you storing your skincare product? Is it being kept in damp, humid areas, or in direct sunlight, or in places where there's a high temperature range? For example, if you kept a bottle of sunscreen in your car and your car got overheated in the sun, the sunscreen will also get overheated, and it will make it less effective against protecting your skin from UV radiation. Or you may experience skin irritation due to the ingredients being separated out. So it's best to keep products like this in areas where you know the temperature and humidity is consistent and there's no exposure to direct sunlight, such as a vanity or a cabinet or a shelf in your home. So going back to the sunscreen example, it would be better to keep it in your handbag, since your handbag would less likely be left in a hot car for days on end. Another reason that you're not seeing results anymore is that your skin has become used to the product. You can try changing which step that you apply the product on in your skincare routine, or you can swap this product out for another one. For example, you may have applied your favorite retinol after applying your moisturizer, but you can try applying it before your moisturizer and see how that works. Another reason is that you may be applying the product at the wrong time. For example, sunscreen should obviously be applied during the day, and retinol should be applied during the night to be the most effective and to get the best results. Another reason is that you may not be applying enough product. For example, for sunscreen, you may not be applying enough of it to get adequate protection from the sun. The rating on sunscreen packaging is for an opaque application, but most of us don't apply an opaque layer of sunscreen when we go outside. So to get the results that you want or you're used to, you have to apply enough of the skincare product. If you look on the packaging, it will give you a direction of how much of the product needs to be applied. Another reason why you're not getting the results anymore from your product is that you're not consistent with your skincare routine. It's important to be consistent with your routine and therefore use that skincare product so that it can give your skin time to adjust to the product, and you can begin to see the results you used to get when you used that product in the past. Another reason could be that you need to exfoliate your skin. A layer of dead skin cells can be preventing your skincare product ingredients from effectively penetrating your skin. So it's a good idea to periodically use a chemical exfoliator to exfoliate your skin to ensure that your skincare product has the opportunity to properly access and work on your skin. Another reason is that you may be using a product that does not have a high enough concentration of the active ingredients. For example, example, you may have started out using a lower concentration retinol that used to give you great results. However, now you can't seem to see any visible improvements. In this situation, you may need to start using a product that has a slightly higher concentration of the active ingredient. Another example is like if you're using a hyaluronic acid serum that has a low concentration of hyaluronic acid, but then you change it out for a multi-weight hyaluronic acid serum that has a range of hyaluronic acid molecules, you will begin to get better results. Another thing that can affect how your skincare products are working on your skin is changes in the weather. As the temperature changes, your skin concerns also change. For example, when it's colder, your skin can get dehydrated or dry, and because of this, your skin may get irritated and start to look dull and flaky. While in hot, humid weather, you can tend to sweat more and have more sebum production, which can make the skin oily and in turn affect the results that you get from your favorite skincare products. So it's best to adjust your routine or products according to changes in the weather to get consistent results. Another less obvious cause is hormones and medications. Hormonal changes such as pregnancy, menopause, and hormonal imbalance can also affect your skin and cause acne, dryness, and irritation. Some medications can stimulate oil production and acne, while others can cause rashes and dry and irritated skin. Because of this, you may need to change up the skincare products that you use to counteract these effects. Overall, there are several factors that can cause a change in the results that you normally get from your skincare product. However, you can counteract this by doing several things, such as checking whether your product is not expired, or if your skin needs to be exfoliated, or whether the concentration of your product is adequate, or if you need to change the amount of product you use, or you need to change when or which step you apply the product, or if your product's performance has changed because it was not stored correctly, or you may just need to use a different skincare product. If you like this video, please check out this other video. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and please subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.